Hello everyone, welcome to TMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to crop in Canva. Cropping images is one of those essential skills that make your design look just right, and Canva offers a straightforward way to achieve this. Whether you're creating a presentation, a social media post, or any kind of visual content, knowing how to crop images effectively will help you tailor your designs precisely to your needs. Let's dive into the process of cropping images in Canva, making it an easy and enjoyable task for you. First, let's get started by selecting the image or element in your Canva project that you want to crop. Imagine you've just chosen an image, perhaps for a social media post or blog feature, and you want to adjust its dimensions to fit perfectly into your design layout. Once you have your image or element selected, look towards the top of the Canva interface. Here you'll notice a button that says Crop. This is your go-to tool for making those precise adjustments. When you click on the crop option, you'll be presented with several choices. Canva offers both freeform cropping and fixed aspect ratio cropping. If you decide to use the aspect ratio option, the image will be cropped according to the specific dimensions you select, such as square, landscape, or portrait. This can be particularly useful if you're adhering to certain size requirements for different platforms. For those moments when you want more control, you might choose the freeform crop. This option lets you manually adjust the image by dragging the edges to your desired size. For example, if there are unwanted elements at the bottom of your image, simply drag the bottom edge upward to remove them, refining the focus of your image to better suit your design. Additionally, Canva includes features like Smart Crop, which intelligently suggests crop areas, and the Expand tool, which allows you to adjust the image size while maintaining its proportions. These tools can be helpful when you want to maintain a certain balance in your design, or when you're working with images that need to fit within specific confines. So, let's say you've cropped the bottom to remove any distractions, and now you wish to reposition the image so that the subject aligns perfectly with your text or other elements. You can drag the image within the crop window until you find the perfect alignment. This allows you to direct attention exactly where you want it, enhancing the overall impact of your design. And there you have it, folks. That's how you crop an image or element in Canva, ensuring your designs always look polished and professional. By mastering these cropping techniques, you can elevate your visual content and make sure it communicates your message as effectively as possible. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to crop in Canva. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.